Nepal is the birthplace of Buddha. Gautama Buddha, the founder of Buddhism, was born in 563 BCE in Lumbini, located in southern Nepal. Buddha's original name was Siddhartha Gautama. Before becoming Buddha, he was known as Siddhartha Gautama, a prince born into a royal family. Lumbini is a World Heritage Site. The birthplace of Buddha, Lumbini, is recognized as a World Heritage Site by UNESCO and is visited by pilgrims from around the world. Nepal is home to the world's highest mountain. Nepal is home to Mount Everest, the tallest mountain on Earth at 8,848 meters. Buddha was born into royalty. His father, Suddhodana, was the ruler of the ancient Shakya kingdom. Buddha left the palace at age 29. Prince Siddhartha Gautama left his luxurious life to search for answers about suffering and the meaning of life. Nepal has many religions living peacefully. People in Nepal practice several religions including Hinduism and Buddhism. Buddha's teachings spread across Asia. The teachings of Gautama Buddha spread to countries like China, Japan, Thailand, and Sri Lanka. Nepal celebrates Buddha's birthday. Buddha's birth is celebrated as Buddha Jayanti, an important festival in Nepal and many Buddhist countries.
अलिअलि सबैले बाँड्दै हुन्छ नि कम्पनी
तीन पर्चा है उहाँलाई
त्यो पैसा के गर सबैलाई हाल्देऊ न किन गरे राख्दिने भने सिद्धि क्या हो
हावा किन आउँछ भन्ने आउनु भएको क्या है यसरी बुझ्नु होला
मैले बाल्नु पर्ला हेर्नै पर्दछ
आज बिदा ह
कस्तो बढी रहेछ
ल ल हस्
यसको कथाहरू कहाँ लेखेको छ?
यसको कथाहरू त खै
यसको कथाहरू कहाँ लेखेको छ?
यसको कथाहरू त खै